welcome back to our virtual classroom. Okay, can you remember how we got started yesterday? Did we sing a song? Yes, we did. Can you remember the song? It was Hickety Pickety. Shall we sing it together? Let's sing it together because we're just getting to know each other. And this is a good way of getting to know each other so that when we get back to school, they will know each other very well, even though we haven't properly met. But it's okay. Here we go. Hickety Picklety Bumblebee. Can you say your name for me? Now shout it. Now whisper it. Now turn off your voice and clap it. Did you do it? Can I hear you? Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. Can you say your name for me? Now shout it. Now whisper it. Now turn off your voice and... So I would say... Yay! That's good. Well done. Okay. So yesterday we did a lesson on the days of the week. Do you remember? We had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And we remember we had the very hairy caterpillar and he was very, very hungry, and on all those days he did different things. He ate different pieces of fruit until he got to Friday and he just gorged on lots of rubbish. Then on Sunday, he ate green, delicious leaf, and then he made himself a cocoon. Do you remember? And then he was in that cocoon for 2 weeks, and then he turned into the most beautiful butterfly. Well, what did you do with your days of the week? How did you get on with your chart yesterday? What did you do on a Monday or a Tuesday? Did you colour in some nice pictures for me? I can't wait to see them. And if you want, you can send them on the group message, like a little photo, and you take a photo of your chart. I'd love to see it. Okay, so for the days of the week, we sing a song. How many days of the week are there? There are 7 days of the week. So let's sing that song together. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we do come to school, and on Saturday and Sunday we have fun by the pool. Splash! Jumping into the pool, what fun! And do you remember there is another song as well that we sing? Today, it's not Wednesday anymore. Wednesday was yesterday. And it's not Friday. Friday is tomorrow. So we sing, today is Thursday. And here it goes. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, all day long, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday, tomorrow will be Friday. Oh, what fun, oh, what fun. Yay, that's brilliant. Now, today, we are going to be talking about the weather. Yes, and I can feel that it is getting a little bit chillier in the morning. It warms up during the day, but it is definitely getting a little bit colder in the mornings and the evenings because our seasons are changing. Now, let's get into a circle and make our circle so that we can all listen nicely, okay? How does our circle song go? Here we go. Make a circle, big and round, every then sit down, then sit down. Oh, that's lovely. Now you're ready to listen. Okay, let's get rid of the caterpillar and our days of the week because we don't need those anymore. And let's see what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about the weather and what sorts of weather we have. Sometimes and often where we live, it's very windy, isn't it? This is windy weather, very windy weather. And you can see it's windy because all the leaves are scattering onto the hills. So that is a windy, windy day. I look out today and it doesn't look too windy, but it might get windy later. Now, if you look at this picture, what do you think that picture says? It's got a curly cut. It says cloudy. This is when it is cloudy, when the sun is trying to peek out from behind the clouds, but it just can't get there, so it's a little bit cloudy. Whoa, what does this picture say? This is when we're getting into winter time, I think. This little character is all wrapped up. He's got a beanie on, he's got a warm jacket on and a scarf, and he's all snuggled and snuggled. And he's got boots on as well. This one is cold. This is when you're feeling a little bit cold. I would think this is the winter time. Okay. And what does this one say? This one is when you can hear pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter. This is a rainy card. So this one is when it's raining outside. Some people love the rain because you can get your boots on and you can get your jackets on and you can go and splash in the puddles. And some people don't like the rain. They like to stay inside and keep cozy and watch a movie and play Lego. So this is when it's raining. And then this is my favorite one. It's sunny. For sunny. I know you've done that letter, and we'll be talking about letters a lot next week. So this is sunny. This is when you want to get all your swimming costumes and you want to get your towels and your picnic and go to the beach and have a lovely picnic on the beach and swim all day. This is sunny. So I want you to go and look outside your window and I want you to tell me, what type of weather is it today? What type of weather was it yesterday on Wednesday? And what type of weather will it be like tomorrow? You know what your challenge is going to be today? Today, I want you to make your own weather chart so that when we get back to school, you know all the different types of weather. So, I want you to use a paper plate and you're going to make a weather chart that kind of looks like this, with all the different weather that we've been talking about. So you're going to look here and it's got snowy. You can't really see it very well. Let me see. Snowy, or cloudy, or windy, or rainy, or sunny. And you know, I think a good idea to do is rummage in Mummy's cupboards and look for a paper plate. When you find a paper plate, you're going to divide it into 4. And you're going to put 4 different types of weather. And then you're going to put a little arrow like this. Ask Mummy to help you with the arrow. Whoopsie! And then you can show and move your arrow around like that. So when you look out the window, you go, oh, it's very sunny today. You can move your, I've got it upside down, sorry. You can move your arrow to the sunny. Can you see that? And that would be making your very own weather chart. How clever will you be? So in the morning, then you can look at your days of the week chart and you can go, oh, Mummy, today it's Monday. We must do this. Or today it's Tuesday, it's baking day. And then you can go outside, look at the weather or look through your window and look at what weather it is and move your arrow around. Now I want you to listen because I've got a lovely poem about the weather. Do you want to hear it? Here it goes. I'll put it like this. Weather is hot. Weather is cold. Weather is changing as the weeks unfold. Skies are cloudy. Skies are fair. Skies are changing in the air. It is raining. It is snowing. It is windy with breezes blowing. Days are foggy. Days are clear. Weather is changing throughout the year. That's a lovely poem. And when you listen to the poem, you think of all the different sounds that remind you of different types of weather. When it's raining, you can hear. Can you find something in your house that makes a rain sound? When it's windy, you can hear and the trees rustling and the leaves blowing. Can you find something in your house? Scrummage around and find something that makes a sound like the leaves or the wind blowing. And when it's sunny, you can hear the water gleaming and sparkling. You can hear the heat rising. Can you find something in your house that makes you think of the sunshine? And when it's snowy and you have to wrap up warm, what sounds remind you of the snow? Are they throwing snowballs? Have any of you even seen snow? Now I want you to look on your follow-up lessons, and there's some nice investigations and nice activities to do. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that little lesson, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me, but before we go, we need to sing our song. How does it go? Do you remember? Here it goes. It's time to end our day. It's time to end our day. It's time to say a big hooray! And then we be on our way. Hooray! Thank you for joining me. And I can't wait to see your weather charts tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye.